Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Bhavna, your class teacher, back again with the new video session for you. Today we are going to start the new theme of this book, that is what we wear. Okay, so students, we will start this session with a very beautiful rhyme. For this, open your book of rhymes, and go to page number 13. Now start the rhyme with me. I am a tailor, stitching your clothes, stitch, 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 my needle goes. Start again. I am a tailor, stitching your clothes, stitch, 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 my needle goes. Next one. I am a cobbler, mending a shoe, rat tat tat, and it's just like new. I am a cobbler, mending a shoe, rat tat tat, and it's just like new. Okay student, now repeat this rhyme at your home again and again. Okay, now in this session we are going to learn that if we are going to a trip or going for a vacation outside our city, then how we and what we take in our baggage to wear at that place. Okay, and what main thing do we need if we go on a trip. So students, first look at the image. This is a bag or suitcase which we required first to pack our clothes. Okay, now look at the screen. These are the clothes which we need a vacation to wear according the weather of the place where we are going on a trip. Okay, now look at the next picture. Students, these are shoes which we also need to pack when we go for a trip. Okay, now look at the next picture. Students, these are some other important accessories which we can or we should take with us to avoid any inconvenience. Okay, now look at the picture. This is towel and toothbrush. These are socks. This is comb. Okay students, so these are some important part of our baggage while we are on a trip. Okay, now move to the next session. Students, now open your book I Can Beginner Part 2. I Can Beginner Part 2 and open page number 44 and 45 as shown on your mobile screen. First, look at page number 44. Here we have a very easy exercise. First, we have to match all the similar types of clothes. Those are given here on both the left and right side of the page. Look the example given here. Similarly, match all the clothes. Okay. Now look at the image. I am going to show you one by one. This is a frock. This is a frock. And tell me, who wears a frock? Yes, student, tell me. Yes, girls wears a frock. Girls wear a frock. Okay. Now look at the next image. These are pant and t-shirt. Pant and t-shirt. Okay, now tell me, who wears these clothes? Yes, boys used to wear these types of clothes most oftenly. Okay. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a cap. This is a cap. We wear this on our head. Almost everyone. Means to say, boys and girls both use caps. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. These are shoes or some other types of footwears which everyone wears in the foot. Boys used to wear shoes, whereas girls used to wear bellies, sandals, etc. Okay. Okay, students. Now look at page number 45. Here you can see we have to paste a picture. Paste a picture of your favorite clothes. Like, if you like frock, paste a cutout of frock here. Okay. And if you like to wear jean and t-shirt, then paste a picture of jeans and t-shirt in the given area. Okay, students. This is your homework. Okay, students. Now move to next session of this video. Student, in this session we are going to revise a new shape, that is rectangle. I will show you some rectangular objects which we most oftenly used at our home or in our school or at our workplace. Okay. Look at the first image. This is a TV. And this is rectangle in shape. Okay, student, check at your home also. Now look at the next picture. This is an AC. This is an air conditioner. And this is also rectangular in shape. Okay. Now look at the next image. This is switch box. And also this is in a rectangular shape. Okay. Next is, this is our notebook, and this is also rectangle in shape. Now look at next. This is almirah, and this is also rectangular in shape. Okay. Look at the next image. This is our mobile phone, and this is in rectangular shape. Now look at the last picture. This is a chocolate, and this is also in a rectangular shape. Okay, student. Now move to the next session. students, in this session we are once again revise letter F today. Okay, revise letter F. So try to speak after me. We will revise with the help of following images. Let's speak together. Look at the first image. This is F. F is for fish. This is F. F is for fox. This is F. F is for fireman. This is F. F is for frog. And this is F. F is for flower. Now students, we are going to revise letter F song. Okay, letter F song. Try to speak after me. Start with me. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole. The air came out. Start again. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole. The air came out. Now move to the next session. Students, now open your book I Can Beginner Part 2 and go to page number 46. Students, here you can see we have some images of our clothes and our footwears, to which we have to color as we like. Okay, please take your colors first and then fill them in the clothes and shoes. Okay, as you think they will look great and beautiful. Okay, students, now move to the last part of this video session. So student, this is the last session of our today's video session. Okay, first I would like to revise all the activities we have done so far today. Okay, first we started our day with the rhyme, that was tailors and cobblers. Okay, after that we learn about baggage packing for a trip. Okay, in next session we completed our book work and then learn about some clothes and footwears that we use. After that we revise letter F and similarly rectangle shape in other session. Okay, today we also done our book work where we filled colors in the clothes and shoes given on the book page. So students, that was the end of our beautiful video session. But before closing, we once again revise the rhyme tailor and cobblers. For this, once again open your book of rhymes and go to page number 13 and now start singing with me. I am a tailor, stitching your clothes, stitch, stitch, my needle goes. I am a cobbler, mending a shoe, rat tat tat, and it's just like new. Okay student, repeat this rhyme at your home again and again. So that's all for the day. Okay, students, now the time for a good message for you. Look at the screen. You have two hands. You have two hands. One to help yourself, one to help yourself, and the second one is to help others. Okay, means to say always try to help someone when they need you. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.